Hey everyone, so I decided to do kind of what I eat in a day. So I'm starting this health journey. I've been doing intermittent fasting for 2 weeks now, and I just thought like I might as well record the video and show y'all what I eat, and it'll help me like stick to my goals of being slim thick, snatched waist. And I hope y'all embark on this journey. Y'all could give me some tips and tricks on recipes. I can do the same. And we go from there. And I hope you like the video. I hope you like my meals. And I'll see y'all in the comments. Bye. So we're going to start this what I eat in a day video. So I have been doing intermittent fasting for like 2 weeks now. And I've been seeing results. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's easy. And I'm not consistent with the times. I just do it based on how I feel. And today I'm eating around 1 o'clock. So it's 1 p.m. I am starving and I didn't know what to eat. I wanted to do like a tuna salad. I didn't know if I wanted to eat pizza, whatever. And of course, everybody that I'm with want to eat pizza, but it's like a different pizza because I'm lazy. I'm not going to be cooking like that. Especially if I'm cooking tonight. No, I'm not going. It's not for me, y'all. So we're going to do a cauliflower pizza, and I bought Oprah's pizza. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to taste it, and we're going to see how it goes. Okay? So let's get started. This is the pizza. It looks amazing. It's a supreme. Don't that looks like you could tear that thing up? That's the vibe I'm getting. Look, they said 1/5 pizza, 320 calories. Look at the fat, sodium, sugar. It's uncured pepperoni, Italian sausage, red peppers, green peppers, onions, and black olives, and made with real cheese. We're gonna see how this goes. If it's a fail, y'all gonna get how to make a pizza by me. Okay, y'all, this is the pizza. So it looks really good. I want to add extra cheese, but we're going to see. We're going to see how it goes. They got it under this cardboard, and they had it in a plastic like that. I got my Trader Joe's olive oil. So I'm just going to put that in the bottom of the pan, add this, and we're going to go from there. Put in my pizza. Here's the pizza. Say any last words, anybody? All right, we'll see y'all in like 20 minutes. Okay. Y'all, look how it came out. This is 20 minutes. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to eat this. Like, I'm gonna tear this thing up. And you know I'm fancy, so I got me like the pizza roller thing. Okay, so I'm back. I'm going to do a taste test on this pizza, and we're gonna see how it works. So I have the pizza, and I also have something to drink. I feel like I've been eating healthy this week, and I feel like this is like a healthy version of pizza or juice or something. But it's like 0 calories. It's like the knockoff version of the ice drinks, but great value. Oh, so good. This is my favorite flavor, black raspberry. So I'm gonna have that on my pizza and I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna take a bite before I dig in. Okay. So this is the slice. Okay. Let's see. Y'all. That's really good. It has a good flavor, pizza, everything. I like the crust because it's a little bit crunchy from the cauliflower and everything. But that's really good. So you want a cheap alternative, lower calorie version of pizza, get that. It does taste healthier. So it's not that greasy mess, but that we all love. But that's really good. That's like a good treat meal. Like if you don't want to eat out. If you can get, because I haven't got on that level of my weight loss journey where I feel like I need to eat out. So someone's trying to do like unhealthy meals, healthy, and try to bring it together so we can be snatched. But then when I get to that maybe month goal, we're gonna eat out, y'all. We're gonna go restaurants. We're gonna tear that thing up, okay? And y'all just gonna stick to my journey. But I hope you enjoyed this. But lunch, I'll see y'all for snack and dinner. So bye. Okay, so it's snack time and I'm having a good time. Yes. And that was filling. I had it with a salad, but I didn't want to show y'all that. The pizza is so much better. So I didn't do that. Alright, so for snack, I've been craving something sweet. I found this like alternative. I don't know if it's the healthiest. It tastes bomb and it's only 70 calories. So I'm gonna tear it up. It's summertime. Everyone want ice cream or a snow cone or something like that. So I saw these little Outshine fruit bars from Kroger. I got pineapple flavor. I was trying to look for mango. It was not there, and I was highly upset. That's the only reason I went. But I got that pineapple. It's bomb. I did not know they have bits of pineapple in it. It's sweet. It's bomb. I ain't never tried nothing so bomb. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna tear the thing up. But all right. So I'll see y'all for dinner. And we're gonna go from there. And I feel it's not like I feel like unhealthy. I don't feel sluggish, and I don't feel starving, because you know how it is on diet. And all these are fulfilling, and I'm loving it. So I'll see you for dinner. Bye. Hey everyone, so I'm doing a video on like the really good fulfilling meal for the booty gains, because you know spinach and all the greens are good for booty gains, and it slims down your waist. It's been a week and I've been noticing a difference, so I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the ingredients that I have. So the green, I got zucchini. One zucchini I just cut really thin so it look like I'm eating more. I grabbed a handful of mixed greens, and I just got this from Kroger, and it was on sale for 2 for $5, and I had $1 off coupons. I paid 2 boxes of these for $4. I also am using smoked sausage from Kroger. It was 2 for $5 and had $1 off, so I paid $4 for 2 whole packs. You can tell I've been eating it a lot. And this is how much I'm going to eat for the serving size. I just put this Trader Joe's olive oil in it. It's garlic flavor. It smells amazing. And this is really cheap, like $3-4. I love cost effective. And I feel like olive oil is like a healthier oil to use, so you get your healthy fats for your booty gains and flat stomach. I'm using garlic powder, kicking chicken season. I'm just trying to use this up. And my favorite, Tony's. I'm not gonna say his last name because I don't know how to say it, but his Creole seasoning. And let's get started. So I got these pan frying, and after a minute I'm gonna flip them over, and I'm gonna show you what I do next. Okay? I flipped them on both sides. So I'm adding the spinach mix, and then that's going to cook, wilt down, marinate, and I'm going to put seasoning on that too, the same season. Okay, y'all. So I put the sausage in. I added a little bit of water because I noticed certain pieces of zucchini got a little bit too high of a color, and now I'm like my zucchini. It looked like it's more than what it was before when we started, but it melted down. You know, y'all know how greens are. Come on. I got this one little sucker, and it's hard to do it one hand. Whatever. I'll take it out. But look at the end result. Come through. Look at the steam. It's looking so nice, and it's fulfilling, and you're going to be full all night. And you don't even wake up with cravings, none of that. You be very content. And it's low carb, so you don't have to worry about nothing. So come on now. It's everybody's friendly. Keto friendly, everything. Keto, I mean not vegetarian or vegan because you know the sausage, but you could do tofu or something like that. Everybody would love it. Just try it out and let me know how it goes.